Last time on Catch and Eat, we fished a secluded strip of the California Aqueduct for stripers. My cousin Anthony showed me tips on how to maximize chances of fishing and catching these delicious fish with lures and with bait. Now it's going to be time to test those lessons because we're going to be heading back to the head gates of the aqueduct. This time though, we're going to be going to a spot with more fish, actually much more fish. But because of that, there's also much more fishing pressure. In order to do well here, you have to think of tactics outside the box.
Oh, what is up everybody? We are back at the California Aqueduct today. We are fishing for striped bass. So far, I haven't had any luck. Just kind of set up here, fished the early morning bite, but honestly, they weren't biting topwater yet. It's still a little cold. So we're switching over to bait right now, and that's where you're cutting in, and you're seeing where we switched over to bait. So, trusty anchovies. Also got some night crawlers. We're also throwing various lures. Like I said, lots of small fish today. But I haven't caught anything yet, so stay tuned. Hopefully we tie into something we can actually take home.
We just like to hear Anthony's drag. You know he sets the line on purpose, everybody. It's gonna be a little like 12-incher. Got a bunch of these little dinks. Don't feel bad for these dinks because this lake is overpopulated and there definitely is not enough for these guys to eat. Barely any of them get to legal size. There he goes. Alright, let's keep fishing. So where do you think all the fish went? It's just that time of the morning where they slow down on the bite. Oh, I think I'm stuck too.
You? What light? No, for last time.
Might have to have you take a trip to get it.
Damn, I just got a bite. Like my dad used to say, I was already holding my breath. Notice I wasn't talking anymore.
Stop.
Oh, did he take my bait?
Yep.
Felt two good thumps at the hook and gone again. Long jaw, right through the top lip. I don't like the hook through the bottom lip. It seems to drag them and drown them or tire them out. It's a little bit tougher to do, but they seem to survive a lot better like that. There we go. Okay, do it again. Huh? Yeah, but still. It must be the way the gate was set up or something. But I just got bit right down here. Let's repeat that.
I've started the day with a string of bad luck. No bites, no fish.
Hey, can I shoot my bow in the back here?
Right there! Right down here. Oh! How did that happen? What happened?
You gotta let big.
Broke my line! Oh my gosh! I was too taut. I was really taut right there.
That's a big lesson learned.
How did that happen?
Always keep the drag loose in order to avoid breaking off at the hook set. Or just don't set the hook too hard.
Charlie, no, I shouldn't have broken. Maybe I didn't wet it down. Wow, that was sad. That was sad. Right down at the bottom too.
Anthony, on the other hand, has been hammering the fish all morning long on both lures and on bait.
There you go. You guys saw that on camera. That goes wild. All right, there we go.
How do you need help? You need me to take this along with you?
Good.
Okay. So they're doing that thing again where unless you move the bait right after it lands, they don't really care for it.
That became the trick of the day. The fish wanted the bait moved and not just sitting on the bottom.
Stop.
Oh, because you got the gloves on.
Yep.
That's the secret.
Watch what happens next when Anthony moves his rod, and this is after it had been soaking for about 10 minutes without any action. Keep an eye on that far rod. Moving the bait really triggered the stripers into biting.
Come on, man. 21, 21, 21. I might have to go down to land it. You have to make sure you fall on the rocks first before you can actually catch a nice fish.
Yeah, hurt yourself a little bit.
Yep.
Sacrifice something to the fish gods, right?
Yep. A fish, no.
Oh, it's a little guy.
It's a little guy? You pulled that hard? Oh my gosh, he's so tiny.
So you never want to put your rod in the
Dude, that guy pulled like he was gonna be like a 20, dude. He's probably 10. No, he's not 10. That's only like 16. Dang, he barely had it too. He already swallowed it, huh?
Yep.
That's funny. When they want it, they really want it. We're gonna try a new tactic because the guys at the worms are getting all the bites. So I got a T-turn right here, T-turn swivel. I don't know if you can see that. And then I got a, that's a red worm plus my anchovy because I'm not getting bit. Let's try it again.
This next fish really wanted a moving bait. Just watch Anthony's closest fishing pole right after he moves it. He missed the strike, but keep looking at the rod.
Came back for her.
18 right on the dot, dude. It's got nice shoulders on it. Dude, that might be 18 right on the dot. That one's worth measuring. He could be over.
Yeah.
But you don't want him to be under. Put it that way. Just short. There he goes. Oh, I see. Missed the hook set.
At this spot, Anthony says you have to catch 20 shorts before you deserve a keeper.
Yeah, I like the guy. He's a real nice guy. That one might be a keeper. That one's pretty long, dude. Did you even catch 20? Where's 18 on this? 18 is... Oh yeah, that one's might be 19, dude. Big old giant head on that thing, too. Yeah, it's 19.
You're good.
It's 19, yeah.
Good.
Yep. Oh, we were wondering when we were gonna end up.
Big bait.
Big bait?
He's
Big bait, big fish. Well, there you go. It finally worked out for us. So, literally just was filming Anthony's. My rod just went off.
As if catching that keeper reset the invisible luck meter, I was finally on the board.
Mine's a panfish. Anthony's is like a walk fish.
At some point, it was fish on every cast, to the point where I no longer was able to turn on the camera.
Well, we got the Yeah, there you go. Alright, make it look bigger than it is. You should. Yeah. Alright. Alright, everybody. Well, we did catch a couple today. Well, I got more than a couple, probably about 40, maybe 30, 40 between us. All shorts except for 2. One we kept, which Anthony's cleaning over there. And the other one was right on the line, so we let it go. It would have been 18 on one tape measure. It would have been 18 on one tape measure. And it would have been 17 and 9/10 on another, so we let that guy go. We kept the one. This one's 19 and about a half. Yeah. So only one of 2 keepers to come out all morning. So you want to come out here, get your anchovy ready, and be ready to sift through nothing but short fish all day, every day. Otherwise, had a good day. Got to stock a lot of bull crap, and you know, catch a bunch of little stripers, but still fishing nonetheless. Remember, stay 6 feet from each other.